Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to collapse the ribbon bar in a MS Word. So guys, this is very easy to collapse ribbon. So very easily you can do this. So firstly you need to right click in ribbon bar. You see here this empty area, so just right click on it, and you see here collapse the ribbon. So just click on it. And you see here very easily you can collapse ribbon bar. So you see here this will be hide this ribbon bar, and you need to show, so just click on here this home tab, and right click here, and again click on here. So very easily you can do this collapse in the ribbon bar. So very easily you can do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.